It's just 18 months ago. Looks like more than that, but it's definitely more than 8 months that we are in this situation. Actually, yeah, you really made me think. Thank you so much. And if I would ask you, what is the future for competitiveness in the Middle East? What would you say?
Um,
How would it look like?
right. I see a steady move towards international competitiveness because it is driven by a sincere strategy at the decision-making level to be part of the world map for competitiveness. I do hope to see more innovation locally. This is something that we have scored historically very low, the number of patents coming out of our region. We are usually more consumers of technology than innovators of technology. But it was never because of the lack of human capital. It was mostly because of the lack of the other conditions, and specifically in the demand and the input conditions, the factor conditions. So the fact that some governments are very serious about moving forward in international competitiveness is laying this foundation and making it stronger. Unfortunately, it will not be the same in all countries. Some countries will continue to suffer because of the interaction between the political and the economic turmoil that will not create anytime soon an environment which is healthy for businesses and for competitiveness. But in other places, definitely, I see that the future of competitiveness, where it's heading in technologically and digital strategy, I do see that many countries will be playing a role, in that